Reverse osmosis is a purification process by which water passes by force through a concentrated membrane. One side of the membrane collects and keeps the unwanted particles and contaminants. What passes through to the other side of the membrane is clean water. We've researched and reviewed the 5 top-rated reverse osmosis systems to provide your home with the purest, freshest drinking water. What are the best reverse osmosis systems on the market? Number 1. APEC Water Systems ROES 50. Number 2. HomeMaster TMAFC. Number 3. Waterdrop RO Reverse Osmosis. Number 4. Express Water Reverse Osmosis. Number 5. Aquatru Reverse Osmosis. Looking to learn more about the top-rated reverse osmosis systems, including price and additional reviews? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. And now for the Freshnss.com reviews of the 5 best reverse osmosis systems. APEC Water Systems ROES 50. APEC has been filtering water for 20 years. The APEC ROES 50 proprietary WQA certified 5-stage carbon block filter and premium RO membrane filtration system removes up to 99% of contaminants. As both tap water and well water pass through each chamber, the result is nothing less than unlimited crisp, refreshingly clean, odorless drinking water. Supreme engineering and technology make the APEC ROES 50 America's #1 best reverse osmosis system brand. Virtually trouble and noise-free, this system is easy to assemble, and APEC guarantees every system is leak-free. No leak detector is needed. All APEC systems include 100% lead-free design brushed nickel faucets, plus food-grade tubing O-rings and parts. The entire APEC ROES 50 5-stage water filtration system weighs 25 pounds and measures 16 by 5.25 by 17.5 inches. Easily installs under a kitchen or bathroom sink. Warranty: 1-year standard APEC warranty, 2-year with product registration. Every APEC RO water filtration system comes with all parts, instruction videos, and easy-to-follow DIY instructions. Pros: proprietary 5-chamber carbon-blocking water filtration technology, guaranteed to remove up to 99% of all contaminants. Premium leak-free brushed nickel faucet included. Cons: consistent waste, sound of running water. Questionable and consistent plastic taste after initial installation. Only under kitchen and bathroom sink compatible. HomeMaster TMAFC. Installing a reverse osmosis water filtration system under the sink should be as easy as setting it and forgetting it. Purchase a HomeMaster TMAFC with a 7-stage filtration system and expect innovation designed to remove 99% of chlorine, chemicals, lead, and more. All HomeMaster RO systems are BPA and lead-free. Confidently install NSF-certified components for safety and performance. Extra large tubing and fitting. Let water flow at twice the rate of traditional RO systems. HomeMaster TMAFC makes upgrades and service a cinch, with modular design and annual filter changes. Attach the included beautiful chrome faucet to complement every kitchen and bathroom configuration and decor. And no tools and awkward wrenches are required for installation or filter replacement. It's easy to see why the HomeMaster TMAFC is the best under-sink reverse osmosis system. The HomeMaster adds essential calcium and magnesium with its patented remineralization system and purification process. Highly pure mineral water on tap on demand. The HomeMaster TMAFC RO water filtration system weighs 14.1 pounds and measures 20 by 13 by 16 inches. Warranty: HomeMaster offers a 5-year warranty to replace or repair any parts. Pros: superior 5-year parts warranty, powerful catalytic carbon filtration, continually disinfects incoming water. Cons: unusually high maintenance costs, unexpected and significant leaks, storage tanks empties rapidly. Waterdrop RO Reverse Osmosis. Waterdrop has mastered a 3-filter RO system with precision accuracy and the ability to remove fluoride, limescale, and heavy minerals and metals. The system is an easy-to-install design. Pure water can be flowing within minutes of installation. With 2 cotton filters, 2 carbon-blocking, and single proprietary Dow reverse osmosis filters, fresh pure water never tasted better. One-turn, hand-friendly filter changes mean no cranking and no tools. Super easy maintenance, composite filter system, and tank-free design make the Waterdrop RO reverse osmosis hassle-free. Enjoy pure filtered water from the best tankless reverse osmosis system. Take back more space under the sink or counter and save on water waste up to 300%. Anyone can get on board with a BPA and lead-free Waterdrop RO, especially the monthly water bill savings. Waterdrop is about the size of a video game hard drive, measuring 18.06 by 5.68 by 17.76 inches. It weighs a mere 31 pounds. Each system comes with a well-crafted brushed nickel faucet. A lighted ring, built in at the faucet's base, changes from blue to yellow to red, indicating when the RO is working perfectly, when the filter is close to changing, and when it is time to replace it. Warranty: 1-year parts warranty with registration. Pros: first U.S. smart RO system with composite filters and tankless design. Activated coconut shell carbon block filter for better tasting water. Internal pump provides faster flow of fresh pure water. Cons: filter change countdown turn red every 3 months. Rubber mounts crack and leak at the side of the faucet. System only compatible with the included faucet. Express water reverse osmosis. Express puts its name to the test. Fastest delivery of fresh, clean water, immediate 99% removal of lead, chlorine, fluoride, arsenic, and more. The experience of what naturally tasting fresh filtered water should taste like from the source at the tap. Water travels through a sediment filter, then flows through both a carbon block and granular carbon filtering system. At the 4th stage, the Express Water RO membrane focuses solely on the toughest contaminants, then gets forced through a final activated carbon filter to remove all unnecessary tastes and color. The built-in leak detection and stop detector automatically shut off the water flow if unwanted moisture enters the filtration system. No professional installation is required, and the easy-to-understand design, label-colored mesh system allows for a quick connect. And the Express Water Reverse Osmosis system automatically refills the water tanks, so there's never a worry about not having fresh, clean, purified water. With all this technology, it's clear that the Express is the best 5-stage reverse osmosis water filter system. Weighing only 31 pounds and measuring 14 by 15 by 5, the Express gets fresh purified water flowing at 0.08 gallons per minute for the entire family. Warranty: full 1-year warranty at the time of purchase. Pros: well-constructed solid brass feed adapter. Fast water flow of 0.8 gallons per minute. Proprietary 5-stage filtration system. Cons: filter replacement 2 times a year. Inferior faucet quality. Manufacturer unable to send replacement filters. Aquatru Reverse Osmosis. Aquatru's process of reverse osmosis spans beyond just filtration. Continuous scientific studies determine water quality and water safety. Evidence of microplastics and over 82 toxic contaminants drives Aquatru to provide the best countertop reverse osmosis system. Filter a fresh, pure gallon of water in 15 minutes. With just as much technology found in the larger under-sink and counter RO systems, Aquatru Reverse Osmosis has harnessed the power of a countertop RO water filtration system that is certified to remove up to 15 times more contaminants than pitcher filters and up to 99% of toxins. The sleek, compact design measures 14 by 12 by 14 inches, weighs 22.6 pounds, and complements all home kitchens and office spaces. The quick-change filters last 6 months to 24 months. Warranty: Aquatru offers a standard 1-year warranty and a 3-year warranty for an additional cost. Pros: removes 15 times more contaminants than a water pitcher filter. Easy to replace and affordable filters. Stop wasting money on bottled water and recycling fees. Cons: hard to contact and resolve issues with Aquatru customer support. Powered off permanently after 2 months. Water leaks from the back of the unit instead of into the reservoir. Looking to learn more about the top-rated reverse osmosis systems, including price and additional reviews? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. And now for the Freshnss.com final thoughts on buying a reverse osmosis system. With more concerns than ever regarding fluoride amounts and the importance of adding minerals to drinking water, search criteria for RO systems have increased significantly per capita in Arizona, Michigan, Nevada, South Dakota, and Minnesota, states with questionable water sourcing and well water contaminants. Before selecting the best reverse osmosis water filtration system for your home, consider the following factors. Locate the home's water source to determine how your home's water supply. It may come from either a water plant or a private well. Well water intake typically requires extra UV light and extra filters to remove living microorganisms, viruses, and bacteria. Understand the water pressure forcing water through the RO. Determine the flow rate, how much water flows into the house. These 2 factors determine how many filters to use to decontaminate the water. Finally, consider your budget to get the best value out of your RO filtration system. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and be sure to post comments or questions about reverse osmosis systems. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates.